Good morning, dear students. Today's our topic is the next poem of our syllabus, that is Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinning. Rain, everybody is familiar with rain and almost everybody enjoys the company of rain, or everybody feels hearty, happy and energetic when it rainfall. So let's see what are the feelings of the poet to see the rain. This poem has 3 stanzas. First stanza is describing about the outer effect of rain or the effect of rain on the house of the poet. Let's start the poem. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. As the poet is lying in his bedroom and he is listening the sound of the rain, and how he is feeling is described here. When the humid shadows, humid meaning moisture, where water is there. Shadows means clouds. When the moisture, full of moisture clouds hover, meaning move over all the starry spheres. Starry spheres, the sky is referred as starry because stars are there. So when the clouds which are full of humid, which are full of moisture comes and moves in the sphere, starry sphere or in the sky, and the melancholy meaning sadness, darkness. Melancholy darkness meaning the darkness. Earlier the stars were shining there, but now the clouds have overshadows the stars. So that is sadness. There is a darkness which is referring to the sadness. Gently weeps in rainy tears. It seems due to the presence of these clouds, full of moisture clouds, the sky has become sad, melancholy, sad, and when the rain starts, so these raindrops are compared as if they are the tears of sky. Rainy tears, they are the tears of sky. It is referred here. What a bliss! Bliss meaning pleasure, happiness. To press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed. The poet is saying he is feeling very good when he is lying in his bedroom on his bed and he was listening the sound of rain. He was feeling very good. He was feeling the pleasure of rain. And lie listening. He is lying and listening. And what is he listening? To the patter. Patter is the sound of rain falling on any surface. Whenever the rain sound is falling on the surface, so that sound is called patter. Of the soft rain overhead. This sound the poet is listening while he was lying in his bed. So quickly, dear students, we will describe the literary devices used in this stanza. First of all, we'll talk about the rhyme scheme. Hover, let's make it A. Spheres, hover and spheres are not rhyming. So, A, B, darkness, hover, darkness. C, hover, tears, not matching. So, D, pillow. E, bed, So we can see here the poet has not used a particular rhyme scheme here. And now we'll talk about the another literary devices. First of all, personification is used. Personification is a figure of speech where lifeless things are presented as if they have life. So here sky is presented that due to the effect of clouds, sky has become sad, melancholy, and it is weeping. So sky is personified here. Another literary device is used here, alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech where consonant sound is repeated. Consonant sound. So first example of alliteration is humid hoar. H sound is repeated. Starry spare. Another example of alliteration. And then press pillow. Again alliteration is used here. Lie listening. L consonant sound is repeated here. And patter. Onomatopoeia is also used here. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech where sound suggested the meaning. Let's start the second stanza. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies, imaginations, into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections, memories, weave their air threads into woof, as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. When the poet is listening the tinkle, the tiptoe sound of rain falling of the rain, so it is echo meaning repetition of a sound. So that ringing sound is repeated in his heart, and thousands of dreams, memories start recollecting, start coming in his heart. And he has become busy to listen the patter of the roof, and with the patter of the roof, so many ideas, so many dreams, or his old memories were returning to him. So here also, dear children, some of the examples of alliterations are like air thread, and the another example of examples are busy being, B sound is repeated, their thread, alliteration examples. Now the last one, last stanza. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years ago to regard the darling dreams, ere she left them till the dawn.